Matanzas Inlet, Florida. Matanzas Bridge, also known as the Coastal Highway. Some people call it A1A, lots of different names. It's absolutely beautiful out here. We're at low tide, so the sandbars are all out. In fact, I don't know if I've ever seen the water out so far. I believe so, yes.
No, the next one is sunrise.
Right. Water's warm right here. I believe he lives right somewhere over there. Yeah. I'm not sure if he's on the water or he's on the other side. Got some canals over there. And again, that fort is back over there behind that boat. Maybe about a half a mile, 3/4 of a mile. A lot of people come out here and boat, they fish. All these people are playing on the islands, little doggy out there on the islands. But you can swim here. A lot of people come out and swim in this area. This is on the ocean's over there on the other side of the bridge. Yeah, but he would like this area next time we come. I know so. I think he'd go crashing through this water right here. Yeah, I think he'd like low tide. Huh? And Matanzas Inlet. Oh, he's got him. He just washed him off. Gotta get the dirt off.
Oh, it's a dead fish, so he must be washing.
That'll be fine. Got a nice sized fish. It's a little bait fish. Like, I'm swallowing it whole. I'm gonna eat the whole thing. I'm not gonna share him with anybody. This is my dinner.
I was wondering if we're trying to steal his fish from him. Are you gonna scare him?
He's eating that whole fish whole. No chewing, just swallowing. And down it goes. The fish is gone. That's fish. Fish is gone. He swallowed it, the whole thing. No eating. No eating. Just swallowing. He had himself some nice Matanzas sushi.
He's eating some
It's fine, either one. Any of those are fine. He has to swim his way. Going over there. So the water is coming in, so it's low tide. You see the water going that way, so that means the tide is coming in. If the water was going that way, out that way, the tide would be going out. Here's some more of those birds you were looking at earlier with the fuzzy tops. Got the
Oh yeah, with the orange beaks.
same ones right here.
Seagull, I guess.
Yes.
They sound like seagulls.
Whole rookery of them. What kind of birds are these? They make an annoying sound. There's a whole bunch of them. There's more over there. There. just caulking away. Pretty fearless though. It's beautiful out here today. Wind is and I tell you, the wind's nice. It's gonna be maybe 75 degrees, 74. What's that? I like these things here. Yeah, I like my flip-flops. It's weird how they all stand in the same direction towards the wind. Face the wind. That's where we came from, over there. Again, Matanzas Inlet, about 75 degrees, middle of May. St. Johns County, Florida. Fort Matanzas National Monument. Now you can see it right here. The fort is poking up right there. Again, you catch a ferry over. Every 30 minutes they run a ferry over, and that ferry will take you over to the little fort, and I'll give you a tour for about 30 minutes. Used to house 12 soldiers and a couple of small cannons. And I'd imagine living out here in the summertime in that fort with no air conditioning, no running water. Would have been you'd have to be a very hardy soul. 450 years ago.